You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. I know it can be a little bit confusing. It's a variant of the name Jane. It's a feminine form of John or Jeannette in French. It's pronounced in English Janet. Sometimes it may have two T's at the end. Ja. It's definitely Ja. It's not Janet. No, it's from Jane, but it's Janet, like an E sound. Some may say it with a schwa, Janet, which is fine too. Janet or Janet. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. And where are you from? Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.